Hey, this is Mr. File here. I want to help you out by giving you some instructions on what we are doing today. Just remember, anytime I have you do any writing, I want you to do it in MLA format. So I've got this page up here, and we're going to walk through step by step and what to do. Go ahead and open up a document. If you are not watching this at the time, you can open up a document and the first thing you probably need to do is title it. So you can give your paper a title because this assignment that we have is to write a persuasive essay. I'm just going to call this persuasive essay. Okay. Once you do that, notice here it's by default when you open it up, it's in Arial font. You want to change that to Times New Roman. It's also in 11 point, and you want 12 point for all your papers you do with me. That's what you need to do. Then what we want to do, because remember, you've got your page number and your last name need to go up at the top. So if you just click up here, that should open up your header. Now, just in case you have any difficulty with that, you can also go to insert right here and then go down to where it says headers and footers, and you hit header right there. It does exactly the same thing. Now, what we need to do from this point, see here, our font and our size, both the font and the size are back to Arial. So we need to make Times New Roman and 12-point font in the header as well. It doesn't automatically change the header whenever you change the rest of the body of the paper. So make sure you do it in both places. Then the best thing to do here is go up here. You see where my cursor is. You can click this and select, you want it to be over on the right-hand side. So right there, and you put your last name. I'm going to put Smith here. It's not my last name, but it's a nice, good generic one. And then hit Options right here. When you hit Options, it should open up these three different options: header format, page numbers, and remove header. You want to hit page numbers. That should open up this little window here. You want to hit Apply, and looky there, you've got your page number. Okay, now we're out of the header. Now from this point, you want to put your name. So I'm going to put John Smith for my example, and then let me back up here. Right now is a good opportunity to show us what to do. So we've got John Smith here. Whenever I hit enter, we're automatically on single space. So I'm going to go back up here to the top. While I'm still in this top line, I'm going to go right here. You see this where it says line spacing, paragraph spacing. Hit that and go down to double space. That's what we want. Now, it works better now. You hit the enter and you are ready to go. So let's go ahead and so we've got John Smith. Mr. File is the teacher, so put your teacher's name second, Mr. File here. If you've got a different teacher and you want to do a paper for them in MLA format, you do the same thing there. Then our next line down, we want to say the class. So for this class, we're doing English 2. I'll put that in Roman numerals. Then on our next line, we want to put the date. Well, today is November 13th, so I'm going to put 13 November 2023. Okay. The reason we do this, I know we're used to a date put in the format of like November 13th. 2023, but that is incorrect in MLA format. MLA format tells us which format to put a date, and it is the number of the day first, then the month written out, and then the year. Okay, now just hit enter once, and since we've got double spacing already, we're on the correct line. You want to go back up here to where it's got our alignment, and we want to center it. And this is where we put our title. Now, don't put persuasive essay for your title unless it's just a placeholder. If you're using it for a placeholder, put persuasive essay. That should not be your final title. You want to change it to something more interesting than just persuasive essay. But after that, you can go ahead and hit enter once, and you've got a double space. Go back up here to the alignment, and you make it on the left side. Now, we are ready to start typing the body of our essay. What you want to do here in order to space, you just hit your tab button, and that is what will indent your paragraphs. Hit your tab button one time, and that will automatically indent your paragraph to the right space. Okay? Now, that is all we need at this point in order to format the paper